So earlier we showed you a quick DIY that Unique thought would impress your guests, but I think this will, better give that effect. The chef, Johansson Gordon, is here with some bite-sized bits to binge on. And his younger brother Nate is also here, but Nate can't cook, so we decided to leave Nate out, I think, because Nate don't know nothing about the kitchen. Morning, friend.
Good morning,
welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thank you very much for having me
Christmas
again.
And all the very, very best.
Happy New Year to you, sir.
Yeah, man. Yogi Foods. You have to go back over there because you have to cook. Don't play me enough.
All right.
Yogi Foods. Tell me quickly about Yogi Foods.
All right, Yogi Foods was started in January of this year. I do bake sales every 3 weeks, and I do socialized birthday cakes, cheesecakes, bread puddings. You can follow me on my personal Instagram page. That's Yogi Bear, JOHGI.BEAR. I specialize in cheesecakes and bread puddings. So on display today is one of my newest flavors. It's a champagne and star fruit cheesecake. Perfect to ring in the new year tonight.
Man. Champagne
and star fruit.
Star
fruit. Yes.
Yeah.
So kind of the little uptown with the nice Jamaican and star fruit. Yes. This is ham crostini with some pineapple chutney.
Ham crostini.
Yes.
We like how it sounds. And this
is a saltfish and tomato samosa. It's an Indian street food with a Jamaican twist and some nice tomato chutney.
You can eat?
Of course.
You can eat? No?
Yeah, man.
All right. So what you going to do?
All right, I'm going to do a jerk onion ring and a sorrel mojito. So that's loosely based on a mojito.
What is a mojito, please?
All right, a mojito is a Cuban drink, normally made with mint, club soda, and rum.
Yeah.
But this is made with lemon beer, sorrel juice, rum, and we still have the little mint in it.
Come tomorrow, you can't use that straw, you know that.
We're good for today.
All right, I don't say nothing going on. Did something turn on?
Yes, man, this turn on, so we make it go and heat up.
Why do you make it go and eat? I'll taste this.
Yep, no problem.
What you say inside it?
Saltfish and tomato samosa. Now in this jug, we already mixed the sweetened sorrel juice and the rum, and we already brewed some mint. So you have that flavor steeping. So we're going to add some of this. Halfway up in the glass, I'm going to top it off with some lemon beer.
Johnson, this win still new?
Yeah, man. Number one all the time.
No, man, this win.
You want to wash it down with some mojito?
I never get that chance to say lovely jubbly, but this win. And this is what now?
A sorrel mojito.
But alcohol in there?
Yeah, man.
I can't drink it.
All right.
Yeah? Yeah. Alcohol in there, so I can't drink that.
All right then. So we're going to move on to the jerk onion ring. Now we have our oil heating here. Now these onions have been cut into 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch thickness. Already tossed in some flour, and here we have a batter. You can find this recipe later on my personal Instagram page. Once again, JOHGI.BEAR. We're going to dip it in the batter. Shake it off a bit.
And that is just straight onion?
Just straight onion, and in the batter we have some jerk seasoning, baking powder, and all-purpose flour, milk, and water. Going to allow this to fry a bit.
So how long it will last? That's straight oil?
Just straight oil.
That's plenty oil though.
Deep fry. Well, it could heat up a little more, but no worry. TV magic.
You don't need to make nothing more than this. This way.
You want to run the plate?
I'm going with it.
All right. So, allow these to deep fry a bit now.
What you say, put it in again?
This is jerk seasoning, all-purpose flour, milk, water, baking powder.
What do you mean by all-purpose flour?
All-purpose flour is it's a flour with a fairly average gluten content. So it's not too coarse like bread flour and not too soft like a cake flour.
Okay. By the way, you're a resolution man? You make resolution for this?
Not really, but come 2019, they're just getting bigger and better. Not in size though.
Oh, let me just hold on now. Plenty pepper in this, don't?
A little.
No, not a little. But I still love it.
All right. So, once these start change a bit golden brown.
Alcohol in this?
Yes.
Plenty?
It's a bit. It's a bit.
You're not supposed to drink on here. You know what? Just drink it and just go sit down.
Don't worry. You're not nothing, no.
Am I allowed to drink on here? Sorry. With alcohol in there? But it's sorry.
So we're just going to the 2 of the onion rings for TV magic.
For TV magic,
for TV magic.
well, you can go on that. Me deal with. Which
And
one again?
oh, that's the saltfish and tomato samosa
Samosa.
with a tomato chutney.
And a chutney would be what?
A chutney, all right, there are different types of chutney, but this one is a sweet and mild chutney. Not too spicy, but a balance of sweet and a little spice and some tanginess.
So, your resolution is things going to be bigger and better.
Bigger and
No,
better.
man, give me a realistic one. That is a
Right.
realistic one. But what about personally? You don't.
Personally, I just want to be more creative in my art. Ask the Lord to just give me more wisdom, knowledge, and lead me in the right path.
Okay. So you're not a chef, because you say you deal with baking. So you're
Not a chef yet.
You're a baker.
But I consider myself an entrepreneur. Yes.
But you're a baker.
I love baking.
Where that come from there? Who teach you to bake?
From the age of about 6, 7, I used to sit in the kitchen
Go on,
and watch my mom.
This tastes good.
My mom cooks a lot. So I used to sit down on the floor watching her bake a lot, cook a lot. Every family setting, family dinner, she's the one cooking. Christmas cake, 10, 15 tins of cake, that's her.
You done?
Yeah.
So you're going to make the rest of it now?
Off camera.
Good, man.
Off camera.
So tell me again now. Nate, come now, my question, Nate. Come here, Nate. Nate can't cook, but him little brother is here, so I don't know where him know how the man
Run, come, pop, pop.
Nate, you want to look alike, Nate. This is Nate. Nate have on a mic, so Nate can't talk and him can't cook. But Nate, him cannot cook. What? Him can't
Him
cook.
can't do a little thing, you know. One thing him love though, frankfurter and mashed potato.
Nate, him bust my up on TV. All right, Bridget. All the very best. Good to meet you, Nate. Good to see you.
Good to see you too,
And
sir.
I hope all your dreams come true.
And this is a little something.
That is Jody one. This now, tell me what is this again?
Champagne and star fruit cheesecake. You can order it on my Instagram page, Yogi Bear,
But this is ours though.
Johgi. Yeah, man.
But the other one, eh?
Yeah, man,
Don't
ish.
play it. All right.
So it's infused with some nice dried champagne and some glazed star fruit on the top.
Brilliant, my Bridget.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thanks very much. All right. So there you go. Chef Johansson, what's his last name? Garden name?
Yes.
Johansson Garden. Yogi Bear. So we've got the bites. Next we get the booze. Simon, Captain Kidd, toast off on the other side of the break.